Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 2 and Day 7. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, rule pencil, pen along with you. I will give you 3 seconds time. You have to get ready. Start counting 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, my dear children, I hope you are all ready. Let us move to our phonics session. Today we are going to recap the oo sound pattern and also use the blending techniques. Do you know that? How we have to use that? Yes, we have to use our left hand to read that words. Do you remember? Yes, now I will show the book from our SR3. See this, my dear children. This is the SR3 long vowel digraphs UI as in oo. Right? Now we are going to use a blending techniques to read this word. From our phonics session, we have to use the letter sounds to read this word. Do you remember? Yes. Cruise. Cruise. You have to touch the shoulder, forearm, wrist. Cruise. Next, bruise. This like you have to use the left hand and also use blending technique rest of the words. Okay. Next, UE as in oo digraph. Blue, oo. This not have a middle sound, so you have to touch the shoulder and wrist. Blue. Next, glue. This also not have a middle sound, right? Once again, you have to touch the left hand, use the blending techniques to read these words. Okay? This like you have to read this word, my dear children. So, are you clear from this phonics session? Shall we do one worksheet from this related? Yes. So, see this, my dear children. This is the worksheet number 10. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct vowel diagrams. First, you will look at the picture. Then read the word. What is that? Yes, glue. Which is the correct one? Oo. So you have to write here, then complete this. Okay. So I said the first one answer. Remaining you have to finish that. Okay. After this you have to pause the video, then do this. Okay. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the whole words part. Today I will take a dictation for your whole words session. So here get ready for your notebook, rule pencil or pen along with you. I will give you 3 seconds time. Start counting 3, 2 and 1, 0. Are you ready? Yes, I say the word small. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, found. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. Next, right. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, faster. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, open. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Great. Next, just. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Great. Next, more. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Great. Next, different, different, different. Yes, start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, next, began, began, began. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, next, lasted, lasted, lasted. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Great. Next, never, never, never. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. I'll give you 30 seconds time. You have to check out your answers. If you make a mistake, no problem. You have to self-correct yourself. Which word or mistake you have to write 5 times. Okay. Great, my dear children. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the reading and listening comprehension session. Today you will be reading a story in your own. Okay. Before you read, let me explain the meaning of some difficult vocabulary words that you will come across while reading. Okay. First we will see that from our SR book, SR 12. My dear children, first of all we will read the story. You are going to read. Somebody not have a book, that's why I will read first from this SR story. Here having some vocabulary words, that is a difficult one, right? While you are reading, cross this word, just you have to find out the meaning of that word. Okay, are you ready? Yes. The Vine and the Sun, and Aesop fable. Illustrator Busdava. Wind. Can you see the man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Sun, smiling. We can see who wins. Next, Sun. I will let you try first. Vine, puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. Ooh, ooh. Man, how strong the wind is today. Next page. Man, it is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly around myself. Wind, blowing with more force. Ooh, ooh, like that say. Next page. Man, pulling his coat more tightly. How cold it is. Wind. Sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Sun, let me try. The sun smiles. Man, what a funny day. It was so cold and now it is so hot. Sun, the sun smiles widely. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Man, wiping his face, I must take off my coat. Sun, wind, I have won. I have made him take his coat off. Did you listen the story, my dear children? Yes. You have a trouble means again you have to read the story. After that, while you are reading, just you have to find out the word, meaning the difficult of that word. Okay. Here also having some. You have to read yourself. Okay. Now, let us do one worksheet from this related SR story. Yes, great, my dear children. Again, you have to read that story. After that, you have to complete this worksheet number 10. Question number 2. Read the story from SR 10 and answer the following questions. Okay. Name the characters in the story. After that, why do you think will win? Who do you think will win? Why do you think so? Was your prediction right? This like you have to complete this. This and all your own. And also make sentence using the words given below. Right? You have to use your own sentence. Okay. So are you clear from this reading and listening? You have to read that story. Find the meaning of difficult word and then complete this worksheet. Okay. Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the grammar session. Prepositions. We have to recap the preposition what we learnt. Right. Prepositions are short words that connect different parts of a sentence. They tell us the relationship between people, places and things. We learnt on, in, at, towards, during. Let us see the first one. On. Used to show the day and date. Used to show the position of a person, object. I will meet you on Sunday. Examples. Ravi was sitting on the sofa. Next. In. Shows the part of a day. Shows when someone or something is already inside. For the example, I drink milk in the morning. The cat is in the box. Next. At. Shows the exact time. I met my friend at 7 p.m. Towards. Used to indicate directions. We all walked towards the stage. Next. During. Used to show when something happens over a period of time. Example, Maya was coughing during the match. Right. So do you remember these 4 prepositions, my dear children? Great. Now, this is your worksheet time. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. See that. This is the worksheet number 11, question number 1 and also 2. This 2 is a prepositions, our grammar part worksheets. Okay, you have to read the question and find out the answer, then fill in the blanks, correct prepositions. This also you have to read the passage and fill in the blanks using the prepositions given below. I'll check you in the evening. Did you complete or not? Okay, otherwise I'll send in our group from 1 week what we have to done for a worksheet. Okay, so are you clear from this, my dear children? Great. Today we have to recap the prepositions for, in, during, on, towards. Right, after that we have to complete the worksheet number 11, question number 1 and 2. This is your homework. Okay, great. Yes, great, my dear children. Now we have to come the writing and speaking expression. My dear children, what are the folk tales and fables? Yes, folk tales are stories told by common folk, ordinary people. Fables are short stories with animals as character. Today we will be listening to an audio recording of folk tale. Right, my dear children, listen carefully. While you are listening, I want to all of you to focus on 2 things. That and all, what is the speaker is saying, how is the speaker is saying it. Okay, are you ready? Yes.
Over a bridge. There was a river in a small village. People used a narrow bridge built over the river to cross it. One day, a goat was crossing the bridge. He saw another goat crossing the bridge in the opposite direction. The bridge was so narrow that there was no space for both of them to pass. Both of the goats didn't want to go back. One goat said, "You should go back since I am stronger than you." The other goat said, "I am stronger, you go back." They fought furiously and fell down into the stream below. After a while, another 2 goats came on the same bridge in the opposite direction. These goats were a little wiser than the earlier ones. One of them said, "If we both fight, we will fall into the river and be drowned. Instead, I have a plan. I will lie down and you walk over me." Then the wise goat lay down on the bridge, and the other goat walked over him. So they passed each other and went on their ways.
Did you listen the audio, my dear children? Yes. What was the title of the story? Great. The 2 goats. What did the first 2 goats do? Yes, fought and fell down. What did the wiser goats do? They made a plan to cross the river. Right? We heard the story. Now we will also narrate the same story. We will now listen the story. what you listened and make some notes about and then retell the same story. Okay, see that I'll play again. You listen carefully now. Okay, great.
Two goats over a bridge. There was a river in a small village. People used a narrow bridge built over the river to cross it. One day, a goat was crossing the bridge. He saw another goat crossing the bridge in the opposite direction. The bridge was so narrow that there was no space for both of them to pass. Both of the goats didn't want to go back. One goat said, "You should go back since I am stronger than you." The other goat said, "I am stronger, you go back." They fought furiously and fell down into the stream below. After a while, another two goats came on the same bridge in the opposite direction. These goats were a little wiser than the earlier ones. One of them said, "If we both fight, we will fall into the river and be drowned. Instead, I have a plan. I will lie down and you walk over me." Then the wise goat lay down on the bridge and the other goat walked over him. So they passed each other and went on their ways.
Now I am going to see the example of how we have to narrate the story. After that, you have to write down your notebook. Okay, see this. We learned that story, right? Beginning. Goats crossing narrow bridge fought. Middle. Fell down. Two more goats trying to cross. End. Wise goat laid down. Other goat crossed. This is we learned that audio, right? This is the beginning, middle and end of that story. This like we have to narrate our stories. Do you understand? Great. So my dear children, this like you have to narrate your story. You have to draw a tabular column, beginning, middle and end. Then write down the answers. After that you have to show your family members. Okay, narrate your stories. Great. So are you clear from this today's class? Shall we recap what we learned? Yes, in our phonization we have to use the blend techniques to read our SR3, right? In our phonization we have to use the letter sounds. Then whole words. I conducted a test. We also did like that. Okay. Next, reading and listening comprehension. You have to read the story. After that, complete that worksheet. Next, grammar part. We recap the prepositions in, on, during, towards. Right? Related worksheets we have to complete. Next, writing and speaking. You listen to that audio. Again, you have to play the video. Then find out the beginning, middle and end. Write in your notebook and show your family members. Narrate your stories. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning.